Hello everybody, this is Louis from LoukProp and today we are back at Gangsa Road again. This is 170 Gangsa Road, but we are not looking at a 5-room today, we are looking at a 4-room HDB flat. Now as most of you know, 4-room flats nowadays are about 900 plus square feet, but today the one we are looking at is 1087 square feet. Really spacious, I think you will like it. Let's go take a look. As you can see, the whole house has been fully gutted and tastefully renovated to create an efficient, unique and homely space. Now, as we go through the house in a moment, right, you'll be able to see various elements of character and thoughtful design that the homeowners themselves crafted and drew up. Now, let's start off with the living room. As you can see, really spacious living room. You have a very good distance between yourself and the TV console, and more than enough space to fit a 3 or 4-seater sofa, as you can see right here. Now, ceiling fan is already inbuilt. This is a designer brand, and it's a kind of ceiling fan that blends in really well with the entire theme of the renovation here. I also take your attention to this TV console right here. This TV console is wall hung, which means there's actually a lot of empty space at the bottom, making it easy to clean and also gives you ample space to put and store things underneath, or if you want to put your sound system that you've been eyeing at Harvey Norman, this is the place for it. Now let's take a look also at the shoe cabinetry. For most HDBs out there, you'll find that shoe cabinetries are built protruding out of the wall. It's a little bit awkward, it eats into the dining living room space. But what the owners have done here is that they have fully utilized this recessed space below the window to create a full-length shoe cabinetry, which not only can be used to store shoes, but can be extra storage as well, right? And because it is more or less flush to the window, it blends in really well with the entire design language of the entire house. Okay, so let's talk about the flooring now. This flooring is vinyl flooring, and as we all know, vinyl flooring is water resistant. So it won't pop up like those laminate layovers, and also it won't stain like marble flooring. Also, although we know that the living dining area is already very spacious, the homeowners did one thing to make it even more spacious. So if we take a look at the floor plan, so you see this store area over here, they actually removed this entire storeroom space to create this nice little nook to house their 6 to 8-seater dining table. See the kitchen behind me? Looks very nice, right? Let's take a look. Okay, so the storeroom is not the only thing that they knocked down. What they have done actually is they have reconfigured this entire kitchen space to form a dry kitchen and a wet kitchen, or what I call your dream kitchen. Okay, so this dry kitchen area, they've already done up full cabinetry with soft closing, right? A fridge space at the side, glass backsplash for easy maintenance, and also a quartz countertop for a general food prep. So everything that you need in a dry kitchen is already here. Now let's take a look at the wet kitchen. This wet kitchen, actually they have done in a way to make it really easy to host friends and family. As you can see, first thing, bifold glass window. Right? So when they prepare their food, they can immediately serve to this bar countertop here, which the owners themselves do a lot of work on because it's a really nice space, right? And if we move into the wet kitchen itself, you can see that everything that you need in a kitchen is already built here. There's ample storage space, all with soft closing cabinetry, all right? Cooker, hood and hob. This is a gas cooker as well, and an oven already inbuilt. You even have a spice rack, right? So everything that you need is already here. You also have full-length quartz countertop, and it doubles as well as a laundry area. As you can see, washer space is already inbuilt, as well as a fully extendable hydraulic laundry rack, which can be pushed all the way out so that you can maximize the sun and minimize the clutter inside the kitchen, right? Taking a look at the common bathroom. Now this common bathroom is fully renovated, piping's all done up, it's all new, and the design here follows the entire design theme of the entire house as well, which is really nice. Now enough about the kitchen, let's take a look at the bedrooms. Common room number 1. Now this room is totally empty for now. They use it for their exercise, yoga, stretching, dance studio. You can see the mirror here. But If you take a look at the entire space here, you can easily convert this into a bedroom. You can fit a queen to king size bed. And also, they have, again, fully utilized the recessed space under the window to create ample storage space. They have also created a full height wardrobe in the room as well. So like I said, easily convertible to a bedroom if you want to. Let's take a look at the next common room. Now this common room, right, is where they do most of their work, their reading. So this is their work and study area. No built-ins whatsoever in this room, so you can get really creative with your renovations if you want to turn this into like a man cave, a game room, a walk-in wardrobe, whatever you like. And if we see this recessed space over here, this recessed space can actually be converted into a wardrobe space because it's a really deep recessed space. So most people who are in this area, they will actually create this wardrobe space and turn this into a bedroom if you really want to also. Can fit a queen to king size bed also. But enough about the common rooms, let's take a look at the master bedroom. And finally, we're in the master bedroom. What you see here is a full king size bed with side tables, right, built in for you. And the only reason they can fit this king size bed inside here when still much space around you is because of one adjustment they made. They actually shifted the toilet door, the bathroom door from here all the way to here. Right, so with this simple movement, you can fit a full king size bed with side tables, and you see still have a lot of walking space around the master bedroom. Now again, they've made full use of the recessed space below the window to create ample storage space and also a full wardrobe already built up. And the ensuite bathroom inside the master bedroom is also fully renovated, piping's all changed, everything is new, and the design intent is the same as the entire house as well. Now, if you like this unit, I think you'll like the area even more. Let's take a look at the location. Now, talking about the location, it is really within minutes walk to amenities like the wet market at Peitr LRT area, which is a few minutes walk away, Bukit Panjang Plaza, and of course the closest is Hillion Mall, where you can find a variety of shopping and dining options. Right inside Hillion Mall is also a bus interchange, and below Hillion Mall is Bukit Panjang MRT, which exists along the downtown line, so you have a straight line all the way down to CBD area. If you're working in that area, it will be very convenient for you. Peitr LRT station is also a few minutes walk away, and it is directly linked to Choa Chu Kang MRT, which is an interchange for Jurong South Line and also the North South Line. So in terms of connectivity wise, this area is very, very well connected. For primary schools within 1 kilometer away, there is Beacon Primary School, Bukit Panjang Primary School, Greenwich Primary School, Westview Primary School, and also Zhenghua Primary School. And in terms of recreational activities, there's Senja Cashew Community Club, Bukit Panjang Neighborhood Park, which is nearby as well. It is surrounding Pang Sua Pond. So if you like this unit that you're seeing today, give us a call, drop us a DM, and we'll arrange a viewing immediately. This is Louis from LoukProp, and I'll see you in the next home tour video. Bye!